If you're a cinematographer or videographer, you've undoubtedly heard of a type of stabilization system called a shoulder rig. In case you haven't, it's essentially a way to stabilize your camera with 3 points of contact, your shoulder and your 2 hands. Shoulder rigs are a great way to smooth out the natural shake of the camera without completely sterilizing the footage as with the gimbal. It gives you that handheld look without the jitter. And I think the handheld look looks so much better than IBIS, as IBIS often looks a tad robotic and unnatural. Smallrig was kind enough to send me one of their shoulder rig setups, so we'll be taking a look at that in this video. For starters, the rig costs just under $160, not including the existing 15mm rail system. Since I already had a 15mm rail-based rig, it was no problem to adapt it to this setup. From a design standpoint, the rig is fairly nice. It's easy to set up, and it's quite sturdy. It's so much more comfortable than resting the rig on my shoulder now. Previously, I was just resting the back of the rails on my right shoulder, and it would quickly start hurting after a while. All in all, I think this is an excellent rig and I highly recommend it. I've got no real complaints. Here's some footage I shot with it. Enjoy!